How to safely and correctly assemble scaffolding.
Before we begin anything, be sure you have safety glasses and a hard hat on for protection. The first thing you need to do is find a reasonably level piece of ground that will work for the job. The scaffolding should be level and safe to climb on because safety is our first priority. After you have decided where to set up, you should carry all needed materials over to your workspace. For this video, we will show how to put up 2 levels of scaffolding, so we will need 4 ladder sections, 4 feet, 4 cross braces, 4 planks, and 8 pins. The pins should already be attached to the ladder sections. Now that we have all of our materials, we can begin by pinning 1 foot on the bottom of each pole of 2 ladder sections. Those will serve as our first level. Stand the 2 ladder sections with the feet on them parallel to each other. But be sure the ladder side of the ladder section is away from the house since this is the first level. Secure the 2 ladder sections together by attaching a cross brace to each side by pulling up the latch on the ladder section. Repeat this on each end of the cross brace. After you install the cross braces, make sure your scaffolding is square. Now that you have your base formed up, you can grab your first plank and set it on top of the ladder sections, leaving enough room for the second plank to go beside it. Lock the plank to the ladder sections by turning the clips on the underside of the plank to the horizontal bar of the ladder section. Repeat for each end of each plank. With the first level now up, one teammate will climb the ladder to get to the top of the planks. Be sure never to step on the cross braces when climbing up or down the scaffolding. Another teammate needs to grab a ladder section and carefully hand it up. Make sure you are being vocal during these steps to ensure safety. Once your teammate up top has the ladder section in their hands, they will say "got it" to tell the other person that they can let go. The top teammate then sets the ladder section on the connectors of the first level, with the ladder being opposite of the one below. With the ladder side closest to the house, secure it by inserting the pins through the holes. Repeat this for the second ladder section on the opposite side. Now, hand up a cross brace, being sure not to let go until they clearly hear their teammate say "got it."
Got it.
To help your teammate on the top level, you can attach the bottom bars of the cross brace onto the clips while they do the top ones.
Got it.
At this point, if your job requires multiple levels, you would continue with more planks and ladder sections as needed. Once your scaffolding is up and secure, the top teammate may now climb down, still being sure to use the ladder and never climbing on the cross braces.